Hello all. Today we're going to learn about a multinational pharmaceutical company, Sun Pharmaceutical. Most of us have already heard about this company. Let us know this company in a much better way. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited is a multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra that manufactures and sells pharmaceutical formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients (APIs) primarily in India and the United States. The company offers formulations in various therapeutic areas such as cardiology, psychiatry, neurology, gastroenterology, and diabetology. It also provides APIs such as warfarin, carbamazepine, etodolac, clorazepam, as well as anti-cancer steroids, peptides, sex hormones, and controlled substances. Sun Pharmaceuticals was established by Mr. Dilip Shanghvi in 1983 in Vapi with 5 products to treat psychiatric ailments. Cardiology products were introduced in 1987, followed by gastroenterology products in 1989. Today, it is the largest chronic prescription company in India and a market leader in psychiatry, neurology, cardiology, orthopedics, ophthalmology, gastroenterology, and nephrology. Over 72% of Sun Pharma sales are from markets outside India, primarily in the US. The US is the single largest market, accounting for about 60% turnover in all formulations of finished dosage forms, account for 93% of the turnover. Manufacturing is across 26 locations, including plants in the US, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, and Israel. In the US, the company markets a large basket of generics with a strong pipeline awaiting approval from the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA). Sun Pharma was listed on the stock exchange in 1994 in an issue oversubscribed 55 times. The founding family continues to hold a majority stake in the company. Today, Sun Pharma is the second largest and the most profitable pharmaceutical company in India, as well as the largest pharmaceutical company by market capitalization on the Indian exchanges. The Indian pharmaceutical industry has become the third largest producer in the world in terms of volumes and is poised to grow into an industry of $20 billion in 2015 from the current turnover of $12 billion. In terms of value, India still stands at number 14 in the world. Sun Pharma has complemented growth with select acquisitions over the last 2 decades. In 1996, Sun purchased a bulk drug manufacturing plant at Ahmednagar from Knoll Pharmaceuticals and MJ Pharma's dosage plant in Halol that are both US FDA approved today. In 1997, Sun acquired Tamil Nadu Dhada Pharmaceuticals Limited (TDPL) based in Chennai, mainly for the extensive gynecology and oncology brands. Also in 1997, Sun Pharma initiated the first foray into the lucrative US market with the acquisition of Caraco Pharmaceuticals based in Detroit. In 1998, Sun acquired a number of respiratory brands from Pharma. Other notable acquisitions include Milmer Labs and Gujarat Lyca Organics 1999, Pradeep Drug Company 2000, Flox Pharma 2004, a formulation plant at Bryan, Ohio, and ICN Hungary from Valiant Pharma and Able Labs 2005, and Chatham Chemicals 2008. In 2010, the company acquired a large stake in Taro Pharma Incorporation, amongst the largest generic derma companies in the US, with operations across Canada and Israel. The company currently owns 69% stake in Taro for about $260 million. In 2011, Sun Pharma entered into a joint venture with MSD to bring complex or differentiated generics to emerging markets other than India. In 2012, Sun announced acquisitions of 2 US companies, Dusa Pharmaceuticals Incorporation, a dermatology device company, and generic pharma company URL Pharma Incorporation. In 2013, the company announced an R&D joint venture for ophthalmology with the research company Intrexon. In a landmark deal on 6 April 2014, Sun Pharma announced that it would acquire 100% of Ranbaxy Laboratories Limited in an all-stock transaction valued at $4 billion. Japan's Daiichi Sankyo held 63.4% stake in Ranbaxy. After this acquisition, which is expected to close by end 2014, Sun Pharma would be the largest pharmaceutical company in India, the largest Indian pharma company in the US, and the 5th largest generic company worldwide. Sun Pharma's core strength lies in the ability to excel in developing technologically complex products through focused teams in formulations, process chemistry, and analytical development, following a strategy of development of difficult to mimic generics in defined specialty areas. The company's research commitment usually is between 7 to 8% of revenue, and more than rupees 20 billion has been spent for generic research since 1993. Every year, Sun typically brings about 30 new products to the Indian market, scales up to 25 API, including drug master files for US and Europe, and develops and files for more than 30 ANDAs for the US. As of June 2012, 266 products have been approved by the US FDA for sale in the United States, and 135 fillings await approval. Sun Pharma, along with its subsidiaries, has 4 state-of-the-art R&D centers across the world with more than 800 scientists employed. Sun Pharma's API Active Pharmaceutical Ingredients program began in 1995 to facilitate the manufacture of complex formulations and products for which complete vertical integration would help the business. APIs are currently manufactured at 9 plants, including locations in Hungary, US and Israel. Technical capabilities and dedicated sites to make complex APIs such as anti-cancers, peptides, sex hormones and controlled substances are an important feature of our API business. Starting with 2 actives in 1995, Sun Pharma API list has since expanded to over 200, and this includes a number of APIs with regulated market approvals such as US and European Drug Master Files DMFs. Every year we scale up to about 25 APIs and make a large number of fillings based on the technology we develop at our research center. A range of APIs including complex activities like anti-cancer, steroids, peptides and hormones are manufactured in dedicated areas that follow international norms for systems and processes. In 2007, Sun Pharma demerged its innovative R&D arm and listed it separately on the stock market as the Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company Limited, NSE Spark BSE 532872. In 2013, Spark declared revenue of Rs 873 million. Spark focuses on new chemical entities, NCE, research and new drug delivery systems, and offers an annual update of its pipeline, NDDS. So we got to know about the various aspects of Sun Pharmaceuticals. We went through the company's history to its present day scenario. Hope the information was useful and have a good day.